Are you terrified of lash curlers? Does this look like a torture device to you? Take a breath, get some water. It's gonna be okay.
Hey, I'm maybe Burke and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup.
Lash curlers are not as scary as they might seem, but they're really helpful in getting your lashes to stand up and be more noticeable. I used to not curl my lashes at all, and then I did a tutorial for mascara where I curled my lashes beforehand. I did one side curled and one side not curled, and I really liked what the curled side looked like, and I've been doing it ever since. So the first thing we're gonna do is get a handheld mirror. You can hold a compact, a blush that has a mirror in it, or if you want to stand this close to a mirror, you can. I use a handheld because my mirror is actually pretty far from me. Now, there's not one right way to do this, but I mean, I'm sure there are wrong ways to do it. What I'm first going to do is line up all of my lashes right in the opening of the device. And then once I make sure all of my lashes are in there, I'm going to not squeeze down fully, but just a little bit at first to make sure that none of my skin is caught in the device. If I squeeze down and there's any pain or tugging, I'm gonna stop and pull it a little further away from my skin. And then if you want a really intense curl, you can kind of manually flip the lashes. I find that a little superfluous, but I see people doing it online. The one thing I have learned that does help is not just curling the base of the lash where it meets your eyelid, but actually going up a little bit and curling in the middle and the ends of the lash as well. So you actually get a steady curl and not just like your lashes bent up at the root. So when you're done, your lashes are more noticeable and visible in front of your eyelids. And then when you put on mascara, it can hold in this shape for longer.